All right, here we go. This is PYT 565. This is a 2-box of Origins H2 Hobby. Six cards per pack, 6 packs per box. We should have some numbered parallels in here. Autos are possible. Big Bang and Snake Eyes are the ultra rares. Are possible in here as well. Up next after this is our 23 Bowman Chrome Sapphire 2 hobby box break. Box number 1. Here's number 2. Pack number 1. Oh, I should got. Let me do that. Let me grab some more top loaders here. Start off with Mikal Bridges, Luka Doncic, Jaime Jaquez, Scoot Henderson, Marcus Sasser out of 25, 13 out of 25 rookie Marcus Sasser, Origins Nucleus for the Pacers. You guys can get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel for 20 in credit. That is Chris Murray, Jalen Wilson, Bilal Coulibaly, Leonard Miller, Jalen Hood-Schifino, Catapults of Paul George. Next pack. Halliburton, Cason Wallace, Kevin Durant, Jalen Brown. Colby Jones is going to be an on-card rookie auto. Nice elevation auto out of 15. Nice hit for the Kings right there. On the elevation rookie auto. Nice hit right there. And we got numbered parallel of Zion Williamson out of 99, 52 out of 99. Benedict Mathurin, Kyrie Irving, Amen Thompson, Jordan Poole, Giannis out of 115. Noah Clowney on the taking the leap. DeMar DeRozan, Zach LaVine, Jarris Howard, Giannis again. We got Jaden Ivey, Euphoria, Brandon Miller. Love these inserts in this product. Next pack. Top load what we have, and then we'll move on to the end, or the last box. There's Bryce Sensabaugh, Julius Randle, Donovan Mitchell, Pascal Siakam, Julian Phillips, and a variation, Azur Thompson. Love these as well. So this is one of my favorite products they do. Quick second. Up next after this, Bowman Chrome Sapphire, then our certified. So if you're waiting on those breaks, those will follow. We got one box of Origins left. Get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel for 20 in credit. Get your guesses in. You do not have to be in the break to guess. Throw a guess in the chat. Guess the player correctly. You get 20 in credit to use in our store for any breaks, packs, or boxes. And here we go. Next pack. Devin Booker, Paul George, Amari Bailey, G.G. Jackson rookie, Darius Garland out of 115. There's the Origins Nucleus for the Trailblazers. Jalen Williams, Tyrese Maxey, Chris Paul, Keontae George, Anthony Davis. There we go. There's an ultra rare big bang of Scoot Henderson. Portland having a nice little break. Nice hit for Portland. One of those ultra rares. There's Joel Embiid, Brandon Miller, Hunter Tyson, Jimmy Butler, Ryan Rupert, Jet Howard. Kawhi Leonard, Brandon Pavzinski, LaMelo Ball, Strawther. There we go. Victor Wembanyama with the basketball parallel. Taking the leap out of 99. That's Pavzinski. There's a little variation there for the Spurs spot. Wemby. Two packs left. Nikola Jokic. Ben Shepherd. James Najee. Scotty Barnes. Nick Smith Jr. Taking the leaps. That is Prosper for Dallas. There's Colby Jones. Trae Young, Jalen Green, Darius Garland, Jamal Murray, and we have Euphoria of Colby. Let's top load, recap, and move on to Bowman Chrome Sapphire. Two more breaks left tonight, guys. Click on that link pinned in the top of the chat if you guys want to buy into our future breaks. All right, here we go. Our recap: Darius Garland out of 115. Nucleus of the Trailblazers, Brandon Miller. Pavzinski out of 99. There's that Wembanyama with the basketball variation. Sasser out of 25. Origins Nucleus of Indiana out of 99. Catapult Zion out of 115. Giannis. Brandon Miller Euphoria. We got the Azur Thompson variation. Origins auto out of 15 on the elevation auto. Colby Jones and a big bang. Scoot Henderson. Nice couple boxes right there of Origins H2. We're going to keep providing those breaks. These are fun. That'll do that, or that'll do it for that one. Bowman Chrome Sapphire coming up next.